What is cryptocurrency anyway? Hey there folks, tonight we're diving into the wild world of cryptocurrency. Think of it like digital cash, but instead of being printed by governments, it exists solely online. Weird, right? Cryptocurrencies use cryptography for security. That's just a fancy way of saying it's really hard to counterfeit. Imagine trying to make a perfect copy of a Picasso. Nearly impossible. Now you might be thinking, John, why do we need digital money when we have perfectly good cash? Well, crypto offers some unique advantages. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. It's also transparent, with all transactions recorded on a public ledger. But hold your horses. Before you go converting your life savings into Bitcoin, let's learn a little bit more about this digital phenomenon. Let's talk Bitcoin, the granddaddy of cryptocurrencies. Launched back in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, who might be a person, a group, or even a super intelligent AI, who knows, Bitcoin was the first of its kind. Think of Bitcoin as digital gold. There's a limited supply, only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist, and just like gold, its value can fluctuate wildly. One day it's soaring high, the next it's plummeting faster than a pigeon in a windstorm. But Bitcoin's impact goes beyond its price swings. It paved the way for thousands of other cryptocurrencies, creating a whole new financial ecosystem. It's like Bitcoin opened Pandora's digital wallet, and things got interesting. Now let's talk about the technology behind Bitcoin blockchain. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Imagine a giant public ledger that records every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. That's the blockchain. This ledger is spread across a network of computers around the world. So instead of one central authority controlling everything, it's distributed. Think of it like a giant game of digital telephone. But instead of whispering secrets, we're recording transactions. And here's the kicker, once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it's virtually impossible to change. It's like trying to unbake a cake, messy, time-consuming, and ultimately futile. Ever wonder where Bitcoins come from? They're not just magically appearing out of thin air, though that would be pretty cool. They're created through a process called mining. Imagine a bunch of computers racing to solve complex mathematical problems. The first one to crack the code gets rewarded with, you guessed it, Bitcoins! These miners are like digital gold diggers, using their computing power to unearth digital treasure. But be warned, mining ain't easy. It requires specialized hardware, a ton of electricity, and the patience of a saint. Section 5. Wallets, your crypto piggy bank. So you've got your hands on some Bitcoin. Now what? You need a place to store it, right? That's where wallets come in. Think of a crypto wallet like your digital piggy bank, but instead of storing coins and crumpled bills, it holds your digital assets. There are different types of wallets, from online platforms to physical devices. Just like you wouldn't leave your piggy bank lying around in the open, you need to keep your crypto wallet safe and secure. Choose a reputable provider and always use strong passwords. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and the potential for losing all your digital dough. Section 6. The upsides of using crypto shiny and new. Now let's talk about why people are so excited about cryptocurrency. First off, it's decentralized. That means no more pesky banks or governments controlling your money. It's like the Wild West of finance, but with less tumbleweed and more digital transactions. Cryptocurrency is also global. You can send Bitcoin to someone across the world just as easily as you can send an email. No more waiting for international transfers or dealing with exorbitant fees. It's like having a universal currency for the digital age. And let's not forget about transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, so there's no hiding shady dealings. It's like having a public record of every financial transaction ever made. Big Brother is watching, but this time it might actually be a good thing. Section 7. The downsides of crypto. Hold your horses. Now before you go all in on crypto, let's talk about the downsides. First off, it's volatile. The price of Bitcoin can swing wildly, like a roller coaster ride operated by a caffeinated squirrel. One minute you're up, the next you're down, and it's enough to make your head spin. Then there's the issue of security. While blockchain technology is incredibly secure, crypto exchanges and wallets can be vulnerable to hacks and scams. It's like leaving your piggy bank on your doorstep with a sign that says, "Free money," not the smartest move. And let's not forget about regulation. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to regulate cryptocurrency. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. It's messy, confusing, and nobody really knows what they're doing. Section 8. So, is crypto the future? So, is cryptocurrency the future of finance? Well, that's the million-dollar question, or should I say the million Bitcoin question. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about money, but it also faces significant challenges. It's like a teenager, full of potential but prone to making impulsive decisions and crashing into things, metaphorically speaking, of course. Only time will tell if cryptocurrency will mature into a stable and reliable financial system, or if it will go down in history as a speculative bubble. Section 9, wrapping it up, crypto in a nutshell. So, there you have it, folks. Cryptocurrency is a complex and evolving world, full of potential and pitfalls. It's like a digital Wild West with pioneers, prospectors, and more than a few snake oil salesmen. Whether you're a seasoned crypto trader or a curious newbie, it's important to do your research, understand the risks, and always be wary of get-rich-quick schemes. And remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and happy hodling. This has been brought to you by Money Mastery. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.